Crash course on sports science. Biomechanics. Explore the principles of movement and the mechanics of the human body, including sports performance and injury prevention. Sure, I would be happy to provide you with a crash course on sports science, specifically biomechanics. Biomechanics is the study of the mechanical principles of movement and the structure and function of the human body, which plays a critical role in sports performance and injury prevention. Biomechanics is a fascinating field that involves a range of scientific disciplines, including physics, anatomy, physiology, and engineering. By understanding the mechanics of the human body, we can develop better training programs, improve athletic performance, and prevent injuries. One interesting example of biomechanics in action is in the field of sports equipment design. Sports manufacturers use biomechanics to design equipment that is optimized for performance and safety. For example, tennis rackets are designed to maximize the transfer of energy from the player's swing to the ball, while also reducing the risk of injury to the player's wrist and elbow. Another interesting application of biomechanics is in the study of running form. Researchers use motion capture technology to analyze the movements of elite runners, with the goal of identifying the most efficient and injury-free running techniques. They have found that certain aspects of running form, such as a high cadence and a forward lean, can reduce the impact forces on the body and improve running economy. Now, let's dive into the top 12 principles of movement and the mechanics of the human body in sports science. 1. Newton's laws of motion. These laws describe the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. They are essential for understanding the movements of the human body in sports, such as jumping, throwing, and hitting. 2. Center of mass. The center of mass is the point at which the body's weight is evenly distributed. It is an important concept in sports biomechanics because it affects balance, stability, and movement efficiency. 3. Kinematics. Kinematics is the study of motion without considering the forces that cause the motion. It involves analyzing the position, velocity, and acceleration of the body during movement. 4. Kinetics. Kinetics is the study of the forces that cause motion. It involves analyzing the forces that act on the body during movement, such as the force of gravity or the force of a muscle contraction. 5. Momentum. Momentum is the product of an object's mass and velocity. It is an important concept in sports because it affects the ability to generate force and accelerate the body. 6. Torque. Torque is the rotational equivalent of force. It is important in sports because it affects the ability to generate power and produce movement in rotational actions, such as throwing or swinging. 7. Friction. Friction is the force that opposes motion between two surfaces in contact. It is an important concept in sports because it affects grip, traction, and the ability to change direction. 8. Elasticity. Elasticity is the ability of a material to return to its original shape after being stretched or compressed. It is important in sports because it affects the ability to generate and absorb force, such as in jumping or landing. 9. Stiffness. Stiffness is the resistance of a material to deformation. It is important in sports because it affects the ability to transfer force from one part of the body to another, such as in running or jumping. 10. Biomechanical analysis. Biomechanical analysis involves the measurement and evaluation of human movement using a variety of tools and techniques, such as motion capture systems, force plates, and electromyography, EMG. 11. Injury prevention. Biomechanics can be used to identify and prevent injuries in sports by analyzing movement patterns and identifying areas of high stress or strain on the body. 12. Performance enhancement. Biomechanics can also be used to enhance athletic performance by identifying and optimizing efficient movement patterns and reducing movement inefficiencies that may limit performance. To summarize, biomechanics is the study of the mechanical principles of movement and the structure and function of the human body in sports. It is a multidisciplinary field that involves physics, anatomy, physiology, and engineering, and it plays a critical role in sports performance and injury prevention. Understanding the principles of biomechanics can help athletes and coaches develop better training programs, improve athletic performance, and prevent injuries. Now, as requested, I will write a poem about biomechanics in sports. In sports, there's more than meets the eye. Beyond the talent, skill, and drive, the body's movements, oh so complex. Biomechanics explains what we can't express. Newton's laws describe force, mass, and acceleration. As we jump, throw, and hit with determination, the center of mass affects our balance and stability, while kinematics and kinetics show us movement's ability. Momentum and torque affect our power and speed. Friction and elasticity, grip and traction we need. Stiffness helps us transfer force from one part to another. As we run, jump, and twist, our body's like no other. Biomechanical analysis, tools and techniques we use to measure and evaluate human movement, no excuse. Injury prevention, performance enhancement we seek. Optimizing movement patterns, reducing stress and strain, technique we tweak. In sports, biomechanics plays a vital role. Improving performance, preventing injury, our ultimate goal. The mechanics of the human body we explore. To excel in sports, biomechanics we can't ignore. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?AID equals 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.